How to block someone on WhatsApp. Want to block someone on WhatsApp to stop receiving messages from them? Follow these simple steps to do it in 3 different ways. Open WhatsApp on your phone and go to the chat with the person you want to block. Tap on their name at the top of the screen to open the contact info. Scroll down and find the block option. Tap on it and confirm by selecting block again in the pop-up window. I won't do it just yet so I can show you the other methods. Go back to the chat and tap the 3 dots in the upper right corner. Next, click on More and select the block option from the menu. Confirm by tapping block. Now, let's move on to the 3rd method. Return to the main chat screen. Long press on the chat of the contact you want to block. Then, tap the 3 dots in the upper right corner and press block. Finally, confirm by tapping block once more. After blocking, they will no longer be able to contact you on WhatsApp. That's it. Now you know how to block someone on WhatsApp. For more helpful tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video.